Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. If you're looking for the ultimate towable tube to make your next day on the water even more exciting, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 incredible inflatable towables built for speed, comfort, and unforgettable rides. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Airhead Mable. The Airhead Mable is a versatile chariot-style towable that gives riders multiple ways to enjoy the water. Dual tow points let you switch between a comfortable seated ride with a supportive backrest or an exciting kneeling chariot position. Heavy-duty PVC construction is fully protected by a double-stitched nylon cover for long-lasting durability. EVA foam seating pads, air-cushioned sidewalls, and multiple foam-filled handles with knuckle guards help keep every ride comfortable and secure. Quick setup is made easy with the Quick Connect tow system and speed safety valve for fast inflation and deflation. Number 4. Airhead G-Force. Built for high-energy adventures, the Airhead G-Force accommodates up to 3 riders and features inflatable stabilizer fins that help keep everyone on board during sharp turns and wake crossings. Its durable 30-gauge PVC bladder is wrapped inside an 840 denier double-stitched nylon cover for extra strength. 6 deluxe nylon-wrapped handles with neoprene knuckle guards provide a confident grip, while the heavy-duty Quick Connect tow point makes attaching the rope quick and simple. The speed safety valve helps get you on the water faster. Number 3. Airhead Hot Dog. The Airhead Hot Dog brings a unique design that's instantly recognizable on the lake. Its long, narrow shape seats up to 3 riders in a front-to-back arrangement that's ideal for carving across the wake. 3 heavy-duty PVC air chambers with RF welded seams provide dependable durability, while the rugged double-stitched nylon cover adds extra protection. Neoprene seat pads and multiple padded grab handles enhance comfort throughout the ride, and the Quick Connect system with Boston valve allows for quick preparation before hitting the water. Number 2. Airhead Slice. The Airhead Slice is designed for riders who appreciate easy boarding and responsive performance. Its signature tapered profile lowers the rear section, making it much easier to climb back onto the tube from the water. A tough 30-gauge PVC bladder and reinforced 840 denier nylon cover provide excellent durability for repeated use. The oversized neoprene body panel increases comfort, while 6 nylon-wrapped handles with neoprene knuckle guards offer secure handholds. The Quick Connect tow point and speed safety valve complete the package for fast setup and convenient operation. Number 1. Watersports Wake Walker. This distinctive 2-person towable features a unique riding position that allows riders to sit, kneel, or even enjoy a semi-standing experience while gliding over the wake. Its front tow point naturally tilts the tube back, creating a stable and exciting ride. Foam-filled handles and EVA body pads provide comfort and control, while the heavy-duty PVC bladder and durable nylon cover are built to handle season after season of water adventures. The easy tow connector and rapid inflation valve make setup quick, so you can spend more time enjoying the lake. And that wraps up today's countdown of 5 fantastic towable tubes for unforgettable days on the water. Each one offers its own combination of exciting ride styles, durable construction, and rider-focused features to make every boating trip more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the newest outdoor gear and water sports equipment. We'll see you in the next video.